Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial in which I'm going to show you how to create 5-step infographics like this. So as you can see here, this is the shape of a hollow square pyramid, and I have cut it in 5 equal parts, and each part is representing a new steps. As you can see here, I have just add the step headings, and here you can add your text as per your choice. Some of the icon I have used, and the icon is downloaded from the flaticon.com, so I will give the link in the description and you can download the icon from there and use in your project. So before I start creating, I want to request you guys, if you're watching this video first time and new on this channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever we upload a new video on this channel. So guys, I have worked hard day and night to create such attractive and beautiful infographics for you, and also providing free template on my blog. The blog link I will give in the description box, so you can check out there and can download unlimited free materials from there. So if you respect my hard work, then please support me guys, share the videos and like the videos. If you have any query, then don't forget to write in the comment box. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. So before wasting our time, let's get started guys. Just go to the insert option. Here you will find a new slide option. Just click on that and choose the blank. So finally we have to add a blank slide here, and after adding this, just right click here and format background. So choose gradient fill from here and delete these two handles by pressing delete button from the keyboard. And now I'm going to select the type radial from the linear, not linear. I'm selecting radial, and the direction should be the centered. This one you have to choose, and I'm going to choose the color for the gradient. So I'm going to choose this color, and for this handle left hand side I'm going to choose a white color. So you have to do this, means format the background first. Now you can see here we have to create the first shape, means this shape which I have grouped together. But before creating, I just want to ungroup it, and let me show you how I created this type of element. So you can see here is a shape like this, and these are the some shapes through which I have created this type of effect. So I'm going to create it. So go to the insert option and go to the shape and choose this option, diamond option, from here, and drag it like this. Now I'm going to zoom it a little bit and go to the shape outline and make it no outline. Let me change the shape fill of this shape to this one. Okay, so again go to the shape option and choose trapezoid option from here and drag it like this. Go to the shape outline and make it no outline. Just change the shape fill like this. Any shape fill, any color you just want to choose, you can choose. Because I'm just choosing shape fill, I'm just coloring this shape so that I can differentiate between these two shapes only. So just rotate it like this and drag it over here. Now Ctrl D to duplicate it. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it and rotate it leftward like this. And change the shape fill to this one. Now choose the diamond shape from here and press Ctrl D to duplicate it, and press Ctrl and Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller like this, little bit more smaller. Now go to the format option and change the shape fill to this. Now again go to the insert option and choose the rectangle option from here. Just drag it over here and go to the shape outline option and make it no outline. Just put this shape over the diamond shape and select the diamond shape first, press Ctrl and again select the rectangular shape. Just go to the merge shape option and select subtract. Now again press the Ctrl D option to duplicate it. Go to the rotate option and rotate it horizontally. Now go to the shape option and choose another shape fill option. Now just select these two shapes and press Ctrl G to group it and put the shape over here. So now what we'll do is we just go to the first slide and choose the color sample from here. Means I'm going to copy these color samples from here, Ctrl C and paste it on the second slide on which we are working right now. So select this one and go to the fill option, color fill option, choose gradient fill, and for the left handle I'm going to choose eyedropper option and choose this darker color for this. But here is the type is radial, so I'm going to change it to linear and the direction should be from the left to right like this. Now the second handle, for the right handle I'm going to select the eyedropper option from color option and choose this particular color from the color sample like this. So choose the format painter option from here and just click on the second shape so that you can easily feel the gradient from this shape. Now again choose this diamond option and go to the solid fill, and in the solid fill just go to dropper option and choose this one. Now again go to the color option and choose more color. Now what the color we have fill in the diamond shape is automatically detected by this pan, so we just have to click it upward to make it lighter like this. So I have just clicked to the top and the color is now lighter, and I'm going to press OK to fill it on the diamond shape option like this. Okay, so now for this small diamond option, which I have split it in two parts and group it together to give a depth effect here. So I'm going to select first one and go to the color option and choose the darker color which I have fill in this particular shape. And for the right side I'm going to color option and choosing this color. So just place the color sample over the right top and we just going to select all these shapes and press Ctrl G to group it. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate it and press Ctrl Shift together and drag it inward to make it smaller like this. Again press Ctrl D and drag it outward to make it larger. Now select the bottom shape, the bottom pyramid, and just right click over here and send it to back like this. Now adjust this shape over here. Make a little bit adjustment here. It will take some time, but you have to do it very carefully. So for the top shape, top pyramid, I'm just going to select the insert option and I'm going to choose the shape and just click on the shape and choose this shape over here. So go to the shape outline and make it no outline like this. Now I'm going to zoom it a little bit. Just right click on that and click on edit points and just drag it. This line should be parallel to this line. Okay, so the shape is ready. Just press Ctrl D to duplicate it and go to the rotate option and make it flip it horizontally. Put this shape together. I'm going to select these two shapes and press Ctrl G to group it. Now it's time to add the different color gradient to the different shapes. So I'm going to fast and forward this video and so that I can save the time. So the shape is ready. Now it's time to add the text and icons in this infographics. So before it, I'm going to choose a dash option here. So go to the shape option and choose a line option from here. Just shape outline, go to the shape outline option and go to the dash option and choose this one from the dash option. And go to the width option, go to the shape outline and choose width option and select the width 2:1/4 pt, this one. And let me change the color to this, let me change the color to this one, little bit darker like this one. Press Ctrl D to duplicate it and I'm going to put this shape here, over here, and just adjust the right handle like this. Make it a little bit longer. Just press Ctrl and select these two dotted line and press Ctrl G to group it. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate it and put it over here. Again press Ctrl D, again press Ctrl D, and again press Ctrl D. So now you just have to adjust these shapes like let's go to the first slide and choose the shape step, Ctrl C and paste it over here. So this is the step 1. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate it. This is step 2. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate it, press. And this is step 3, but you just have to stretch it like this so that the text arrange very low, lesser space. This is step. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate it and drag it over here. Just delete it to shape the space and choose this one over here, put it over here and set these steps to here. You can adjust this as per your choice, so there is no need to adjust it like I have done in this particular infographics, you can adjust it as per your choice. So I have already done with the step and done with the text. So now it's time to add these icons. So I'm going to copy it from here and paste these icons over here. So the final step is to add the shadow here in the bottom shape. Just to go to the shape option and choose the oval shape from here, drag it over here like this and make it no outline, and go to the shape option and choose the soft edges option from here and choose it to 10 points, and the color soft edges to this, and the color field should be like this. Now go to the shadow option and choose shadow like this. So make the size of the shadow bigger and blurriness to this one. Size should be this and the blurriness should be this. And press right click on that and send it to back. Now the infographic is completed. So this will take some time, guys, and to adjust the shape I have created it in very short time. But the time is very important. Do practice with me and just keep creating. You will definitely able to do it in short times. But you just want a proper effect, you just want to do a great effect, then you have to spend time on that. So again, guys, I'm working day and night for this. So support me, guys, share these videos and subscribe our channel. So that's all for today, guys. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.